A body camera is an essential tool for capturing real-time events with accuracy and reliability. Whether for security, law enforcement, or personal safety, these compact devices record high-quality video while being easy to wear and operate. Here are the best 5 body cameras that combine durability, clarity, and smart functionality for every situation. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Sndway Wi-Fi Body Camera. Every moment deserves to be captured with precision, and this advanced mini body camera brings a new level of excitement to recording life's most vivid details. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, it delivers a cinematic experience in a compact form, making it perfect for law enforcement, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who values quality and reliability. With its ultra-crisp 4K resolution, you can switch between 3840 by 2160p, 2K 2304 by 1296p, and 1080p depending on your recording needs. Each frame bursts with clarity, ensuring even the tiniest details are captured in high definition. Whether you're filming a busy street, documenting an outdoor adventure, or recording an important event, the results are consistently impressive. Its vibrant color display lets you instantly play back footage directly on the device without needing a computer. Navigation is effortless. Browse, pause, or review videos on the go, all through its bright 240 by 240 TFT screen. For those who prefer mobile convenience, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity transforms your phone into a real-time monitor. Simply connect through the dedicated app, and you can view, manage, and even download recordings instantly to your smartphone. When darkness falls, the camera's 4 infrared lamps come alive. They automatically activate in low-light environments, revealing every hidden detail with stunning accuracy. Faces, license plates, and fine textures remain clear, even in complete darkness, day or night. The view remains sharp. With a robust 1000 mAh polymer battery, it keeps recording for up to 6 hours non-stop, so you'll never miss crucial moments during long operations or outdoor sessions. Flexibility takes center stage with its 180-degree rotating lens, allowing you to position the camera exactly as needed, front, top, or back, for the perfect shot. A user-friendly one-touch control system makes operation quick and intuitive, letting you record videos, take photos, or capture audio effortlessly. The generous storage capacity, supporting up to 128 gigabytes TF cards, means you can keep hours of footage without worrying about space. From car drives to classroom lectures, extreme sports, or professional security work, this mini powerhouse adapts to every environment seamlessly. Crafted in sleek black, it's lightweight yet tough, able to withstand heat, humidity, and demanding use while maintaining peak performance. It's not just a gadget, it's your portable witness, storyteller, and memory keeper in one. Pros: 4K clarity, night vision, Wi-Fi playback, rotating lens. Cons: no memory card, limited battery life. Number 4. Boblov KJ25 Body Camera. Every second counts when you're capturing life's most crucial moments, and this powerful mini body camera makes sure none of them slip away. Built for professionals, explorers, and everyday users who demand clarity and endurance, it records every scene with remarkable precision. Delivering true 1080p Full HD resolution and 48-megapixel photos, it turns even the most ordinary moments into sharp, vivid memories. Whether documenting an investigation, a road trip, or an outdoor hike, this compact companion ensures every frame tells the full story with lifelike color and clarity. Designed with endurance in mind, its massive 3000 mAh rechargeable battery is a true standout, supporting up to an impressive 13 hours of continuous recording. That means you can head out for an entire shift, a day-long ride, or a demanding field assignment without worrying about losing power halfway through. This stamina pairs beautifully with the camera's lightweight form, allowing you to record freely without fatigue or constant recharging. When the sun goes down, the built-in night vision steps in to reveal what the human eye can't. It captures clear, usable footage even in total darkness, preserving essential details and evidence where light simply doesn't reach. For security officers, police, or night adventurers, that's the kind of reliability that makes all the difference. Freedom of movement is at the heart of this design. With its easy clip-on mount, the camera can be securely attached to your chest or uniform, freeing your hands while keeping the lens steady. It's like having an extra set of eyes that never blink, letting you focus entirely on the task at hand while it captures everything for you. Crafted with durability in mind, this model is built to handle real-world conditions. Its body is compact yet solid, resistant to the wear and tear of active use. It's the kind of gear you can rely on, whether you're patrolling a city block, trekking through a forest trail, or cycling across winding roads. The CMOS sensor delivers crisp imaging performance, ensuring that no motion or detail is lost, even in challenging scenarios. This camera's simple operation and reliable recording system make it a valuable companion for law enforcement, delivery personnel, or anyone who values proof, precision, and peace of mind. Compact, intelligent, and powerful, it's built to document your world with accuracy and endurance. Pros: long battery life, full HD quality, hands-free design, night vision. Cons: no built-in storage, no stabilization. Number 3. Aiwalot CP-B16 Body Camera. Precision meets endurance in this advanced 4K body camera, built for professionals who demand performance, security, and reliability in every frame. Engineered for law enforcement, fieldwork, and outdoor documentation, it combines cutting-edge imaging with remarkable toughness in a compact, ergonomic form. Every detail of its design speaks of durability and purpose, from its integrated, all-black structure to its lightweight build that weighs just 115 grams. Small enough to wear comfortably on your chest, yet powerful enough to record 4K ultra-high-definition footage, it stands every critical moment with stunning clarity and lifelike accuracy. The camera's 2.0-inch high-definition color display offers crystal-clear real-time viewing, letting you preview shots, frame accurately, and playback recordings instantly on-site. With multiple resolution options, 3840 by 2160, 2560 by 1440, and 1920 by 1080, it ensures flexibility for any recording situation, from high-detail investigations to long-duration field sessions. Using the advanced H.265 compression format, it stores twice as much footage as traditional H.264, maximizing efficiency while preserving quality. Its expansive 140-degree wide-angle lens guarantees nothing escapes the frame, delivering an immersive and detailed view of the entire scene. When light fades, its 6 powerful infrared LEDs and 1 bright white light seamlessly take over, switching between black and white or full-color night vision modes with ease. Even in total darkness, faces, actions, and surroundings are recorded in sharp focus, ensuring reliable evidence day or night. With a 3000 mAh high-voltage battery, it provides up to 12 hours of continuous recording, an endurance unmatched in its class, keeping you covered through long shifts, patrols, or outdoor missions without interruption. Ease of use remains a key feature, with one-touch recording and photography controls that activate instantly when needed. Simply toggle the switch to begin capturing video or press the camera button to snap high-resolution images up to 36 megapixels. Behind this simplicity lies advanced data protection. Integrated encryption technology ensures that once recorded, your files remain tamper-proof. Data can only be transferred securely through authorized systems, preventing any unauthorized editing or deletion, a vital feature for evidence collection. Built to endure harsh environments, the device resists impact from drops up to 3 meters, performing flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. The addition of Wi-Fi connectivity enables real-time file transfer, while optional GPS tracking lets you record location data and playback routes afterward, offering internal storage options from 32 gigabytes up to 512 gigabytes. It's ready for extensive data archiving and long-term operations. This isn't just a recording tool. It's a dependable digital witness that empowers professionals to work smarter, safer, and longer with confidence and clarity. Pros: 4K resolution, long battery life, night vision, data security. Cons: slightly heavy, optional, GPS. Number 2. Weou 4K Mini Body Camera. Compact, smart, and incredibly versatile, this 4K mini body camera redefines what a portable recording device can do. Designed to fit seamlessly into your daily routine, it brings together ultra-high-definition clarity, wide-angle coverage, and effortless operation in a body so small, you'll barely notice it's there. Whether you're capturing a spontaneous adventure, documenting a crucial law enforcement encounter, or using it as a reliable car recorder, it's built to perform under any circumstance with ease and precision. Recording in true 4K resolution, every frame bursts with vivid detail and lifelike color accuracy. Even in fast-moving environments or busy urban settings, the CMOS sensor ensures that the footage remains crisp and balanced. The 150-degree ultra-wide-angle lens expands your perspective, allowing you to capture more of the scene without repositioning. Paired with a 180-degree rotating camera, it provides remarkable flexibility. So whether it's clipped to your chest, mounted on a vehicle, or positioned discreetly for recording, you'll always find the perfect angle. With one-click recording, simplicity takes the spotlight. No complicated setup or menu scrolling, just press once and it starts capturing instantly. You can even record and charge simultaneously, ensuring uninterrupted operation during long shifts, drives, or events. The circular recording feature automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full, so you never have to worry about managing space manually. Supporting memory cards from 8 GB to 256 GB, it accommodates short clips and extended sessions alike. Its built-in Wi-Fi hotspot lets you connect directly to your smartphone within a 10-meter range. Once linked, you can view live footage, download recordings, and sync your system time effortlessly. Though it doesn't support remote control, this short-range connection ensures quick and secure access when you need it most. The body's lightweight plastic construction provides solid protection from drops while keeping it comfortable to wear or handle, even for extended periods. This mini powerhouse is more than just a camera. It's a daily companion that adapts to multiple uses: car DVR, sports TV, or professional body cam. The infrared night vision feature ensures that your footage remains sharp, even in complete darkness, making it ideal for night patrols, security operations, or evening rides. Every moment, whether day or night, is preserved in exceptional quality. Sleek, discreet, and powerful, it's a testament to modern engineering where size meets substance. With its intuitive design, endurance, and performance, it's ready to capture every angle of your world, wherever you go. Pros: 4K quality, wide angle, night vision, rotating lens. Cons: no stabilization. Number 1 and the winner is Retevis RT79 body camera. When reliability, clarity, and intelligence come together, the result is a body camera that's more than just a recording tool. It's your trusted companion in every mission. Compact yet incredibly powerful, this advanced mini camera captures the world around you in crystal clear 4K resolution, making it a perfect match for law enforcement, drivers, riders, or anyone who values precision and endurance. Every detail is designed for efficiency, durability, and ease, allowing you to focus on what matters while it handles the rest. With ultra-high-definition 4K video and 45-megapixel photo resolution, it transforms every recording into a vivid, true-to-life capture. From bustling city streets to quiet night patrols, it ensures every frame remains sharp, detailed, and ready for review. The 170-degree ultra-wide lens covers a broader field of view, letting you capture the full picture without missing essential context. For those long shifts or full-day adventures, the built-in 128GB memory card and advanced H.265 video codec deliver unmatched storage performance, allowing up to 7 hours of continuous recording in 1080p without worrying about running out of space. Built for convenience, it offers Wi-Fi connectivity so you can easily access and export recordings directly through your phone, no computer required. Simply connect to its wireless hotspot and transfer your footage or review it in real time. The GPS tracking feature adds another layer of intelligence, embedding precise location data into each file for accurate playback of routes and field activities. Whether you're documenting evidence or tracking outdoor adventures, this function ensures your footage always tells the complete story. Even in the darkest hours, automatic night vision steps in, delivering clear and balanced imagery without manual adjustment. Loop recording keeps your workflow uninterrupted by automatically overwriting old files once storage is full, ensuring the camera is always ready for new footage. The pre-recording feature is especially valuable in fast-paced environments, allowing you to capture moments that occurred just before pressing record, because sometimes the most crucial details happen in the blink of an eye. Powered by a robust 2400 mAh battery, it sustains up to 7 hours of continuous operation. The efficient Type-C charging system guarantees faster power restoration and extended service life. With the added emergency alarm system, one press activates flashing red and blue lights with an alert sound, providing an extra layer of safety in high-pressure situations. Its intuitive controls, 11 supported languages, and discreet secret shot mode make it as versatile as it is dependable. Tough, smart, and feature-rich, this camera stands out as a complete solution for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're capturing the road ahead, documenting a mission, or preserving daily experiences, it's engineered to perform flawlessly every time. Pros: 4K resolution, GPS tracking, built-in storage, night vision. Cons: average battery life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.